Do you wake up with headaches, sore facial muscles, or notice that you might have flat, uneven, or chipped teeth that may be sensitive? If yes, you may suffer from night grinding or bruxism. If left untreated, night grinding can cause extensive loss of tooth structure and damage, and eventually make way for expensive dental treatment down the line. The immediate treatment is to get a night guard, which will prevent you from clenching or grinding your teeth. Set up a consult today to get your bite evaluated.